Dear friends, welcome to English for Today. Hope you are doing well. In today's lesson we are going to learn the use of seem, appear, look, and sound. So without delay, let's start. There are 4 sentence structures that you can use to make polite expressions by using seem, appear, sound, and look. So let's learn them. Firstly, we can use an adjective after any of these 4 words. Let's see some examples. We can say, "She looks unhappy." Or, we can say, "He seems angry." Do you notice? We use the adjectives unhappy and angry after look and seem. Let's have more examples. We can also say that it sounds great. Or we can say, it appears confusing. The second structure is, you can use to be after these words and say, they appear to be contented. Or they don't appear to be at home. The next structure is, we can use as if or like after look or seem, followed by a clause. Here are some examples. It looks as if it's going to rain. Or it looks like we are leaving home without preparation. Here are some more examples of the same structure. You can say, it seems as if they are no longer a family. Or it seems like she will never agree to the contract. Here is the last structure. We can use that after seem or appear and use a clause to finish it. Here are the examples. It seems that I might make a mistake in believing you did this. Or it appears that you are quite innocent of any crime.